Hey, Chris Whitehead back, broadcasting live, Markertek Live here, NAB 2017. Today we have Bud Waters here from RDL, Radio Design Labs. He's going to take us through a couple of offerings here in the Dante line, the networked audio line that RDL has to offer. So,
Right.
Bud, thank you.
Right. My pleasure to be here. Thank you for the opportunity. What I've got today is what we call our DD series. It's Dante-enabled endpoints. It's compatible with other Dante products that are out there. They all talk to each other via this platform. And what these items are strictly endpoints that allow the user to, through connecting into the network cables in the facility, is to route signals from one point to another location using the Dante controller.
Great.
And these items here, this is basically the initial offering of this line. We make it available in a few different colors and lots of ins and out configurations. I think we've got a great variety of that. There's several things that RDL did. We're a U.S. manufacturer in Prescott, Arizona, and everything that we manufacture is done completely in-house, basically. In the case of these devices here, we found that some product can get extremely hot, particularly in the networked arena. And what we did was to design the circuitry to allow these to operate at a much cooler temperature. We know that heat and electronics do not play well together.
Right.
So we did everything that we could do to get this temperature down, operating temperature down as low as possible. Several things that was done inside this device other than electronically design it to operate cooler. We also added high temperature components wherever possible to give us more thermal headroom, if you will, to allow cooler operation. We use our RDL microphone preamp, which is I think considered in the industry one of the best ones available.
Great.
So the signal in this is very good. The enclosure is a complete stainless steel box, which further dissipates heat. And it comes with the regular RDL 3-year guarantee, which I think is unique too for this type of product. The connectivity is simple. It's on the back. It's a category cable connection, just a RJ45, and these are bidirectional and they run off the PoE, so the power comes from the switch, and it allows you to tailor a system independent of any fixed wiring. So you're basically using the network in the building, in the facility where this is installed, which is quite a savings to the end user, primarily because he's not contracting two sets of cables throughout the building.
Right.
And it's a great technique. There are other manufacturers that are on the Dante platform too, which allow you to select various manufacturers to do different points of the project, whether it's from the endpoint or sending signals to the network. It could be other input devices such as mixers and other type controllers. There's manufacturers of Dante-enabled amplifiers, if you prefer, to make the system complete.
Great. Now, Bud, you mentioned all of these units come with a 3-year warranty, and I know from experience, RDL's got a great reputation for reliability.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about RDL?
Well, sure. RDL's been around for well over 30 years. We manufacture everything in our plant in Prescott, Arizona. We do all of our own testing, circuit design. So when you see a product from RDL, if it's just the enclosure, if it's the painted chassis, the labeling, the printed circuit boards, all that printed circuit work is done in-house. We make several of our own connectors in-house. We just like the way that they function better. Our isolation transformers, so many devices are done in-house. If we can make it, we do. And we've got a state-of-the-art facility that can produce in the quantities and to keep up with the demand here, which is increasing constantly. As you know, networked audio is like the hottest thing right now on the audio side.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Bud, thank you so much for taking some time to swing by and meet with us here.
My pleasure.
Everybody that might be at NAB, come swing by our booth here, Central Hall 5349. We'd love to see you. Thanks to our viewers for actually signing in and checking us out throughout this broadcast. And again, thank you.